Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up. What if I told you that the AI landscape is shifting faster than ever, and a Chinese startup is at the center of it all? I'm talking about DeepSeek, and their integration into WeChat is sending shockwaves through the industry. Hold on tight, because this is going to be a wild ride. Okay, let's break down the news. Tencent, the giant behind WeChat, is now testing DeepSeek's AI model within its super app. Yes, the WeChat you use to chat, pay bills, and pretty much live your digital life. Imagine having a powerful AI assistant right at your fingertips, understanding your needs and providing instant solutions. This is huge. It means 1.3 billion active users could soon experience the power of DeepSeek. But is it all sunshine and roses? We'll get to that. But Tencent isn't alone in this race. Baidu, the search engine king of China, is also jumping on the DeepSeek bandwagon. They're planning to fully integrate DeepSeek with their own large language model. This means a more diversified search experience for Baidu users. Talk about a competitive landscape. It's like watching two heavyweight champions enter the ring, both eager to claim the AI crown. The stakes are incredibly high, and the pressure is on. Now, here's where things get interesting. The stock market had a rather dramatic reaction to all this. While Tencent's shares soared to a near 4-year high, Baidu's stock plunged. Ouch. It seems investors are betting big on Tencent's strategy, but they're not quite as convinced about Baidu's approach. This just goes to show how volatile the AI market is and how quickly fortunes can change. Are investors right? Time will tell. So, what's so special about DeepSeek? R1, the AI model everyone's talking about? Well, it's an open-source reasoning model that's been praised for its performance and efficiency. It's said to rival the capabilities of models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, but at a much lower cost. That's right, lower cost. This could be a game-changer for businesses and developers who want to leverage AI without breaking the bank. Think accessible AI for everyone. And here's the kicker. DeepSeek, R1 is open source. This means users can access it for free and even integrate it into their own services without paying a fortune. This open-source approach is a breath of fresh air in a world where AI is often locked behind expensive paywalls. It fosters innovation, encourages collaboration, and empowers developers to build amazing things. Imagine the possibilities. The news articles are telling us that other companies, including ByteDance, the parent of TikTok, Alibaba, and Huawei, are also deploying DeepSeek R1. It seems like everyone wants a piece of the DeepSeek pie. We're witnessing an AI arms race, and the winners will be those who can deliver the most powerful and cost-effective solutions. But here's a crucial question. Does the rise of DeepSeek mean the end of Nvidia's chip dominance? DeepSeek's low-cost model could potentially reduce the reliance on expensive Nvidia GPUs for AI training and inference. This is a major concern for Nvidia investors, as it could impact their future revenue and market share. Is Nvidia's reign coming to an end? That's the million-dollar question. Goldman Sachs analysts are even predicting that widespread AI adoption could boost Chinese earnings per share by 2.5% per year over the next decade. That's a significant economic impact. However, they also caution that forceful policy stimulus is still needed to address deeper macro challenges and drive sustainable equity gains. So, while AI is promising, it's not a silver bullet. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: ethics. With AI becoming more powerful and pervasive, we need to address the ethical implications. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly and doesn't perpetuate biases or harm individuals? This is a critical discussion that we need to have as a society. We can't afford to ignore the ethical considerations of AI. Another major concern is data privacy. WeChat has access to a massive amount of user data, and integrating DeepSeek raises questions about how that data will be used and protected. Will user data be shared with DeepSeek? Will users have control over their data? These are important questions that need to be answered to ensure user privacy is respected. And let's not forget about the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, it could automate tasks that are currently performed by humans. This could lead to job losses in certain industries, and we need to prepare for this possibility. We need to invest in education and training programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market. From a U.S. perspective, the rise of DeepSeek is a wake-up call. It highlights the growing competition in the AI space and the need for the U.S. to maintain its leadership. The U.S. needs to invest in AI research and development, foster innovation, and attract top talent to stay ahead of the curve. It is a race, and the stakes are incredibly high. Some countries are already moving to block Chinese AI platforms, citing security concerns. This raises questions about the future of AI regulation and the potential for a fragmented AI landscape. Will we see a global standard for AI regulation? or will different countries adopt their own rules? The answer to this question will shape the future of AI. So, what does all of this mean for the future? Well, the integration of DeepSeek into WeChat and Baidu is a sign that AI is becoming more accessible and pervasive in China. This could lead to significant economic growth and innovation, but it also raises ethical and societal concerns. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's going to be a wild ride. DeepSeek, like many modern LLMs, likely leverages the transformer architecture. This architecture, introduced in the paper Attention is All You Need by Vaswani et al. 2017, allows the model to weigh the importance of different parts of the input sequence when processing information. This attention mechanism is key to DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities and its ability to understand context in a way that earlier models couldn't. The paper revolutionized the field, and its influence is evident in DeepSeek's design. This is not just tech jargon, it is the backbone of modern AI. Remember the name Vaswani. He is the rock star of transformers. One of the reasons DeepSeek is able to achieve impressive performance at a lower cost is likely due to the use of quantization techniques. Quantization reduces the precision of the model's weights, allowing it to run on less powerful hardware and consume less memory. Imagine taking a high-resolution image and compressing it without losing too much detail. That's essentially what quantization does for AI models. It's a clever trick that makes AI more accessible, and it's likely a key part of DeepSeek's strategy. This is a major advantage for DeepSeek. Another potential technique DeepSeek could be employing is a mixture of experts, MO, architecture. In MO, the model consists of multiple expert subnetworks, each specializing in a different type of data or task. A gate network then decides which expert to activate for a given input. This allows the model to scale to enormous sizes without requiring every parameter to be trained on every example. It is like having a team of specialists working together, each contributing their expertise to solve a problem. This is what gives DeepSeek its power and flexibility. Okay, let's dive into the ethical side of things. Some argue that open-source AI models like DeepSeek democratize access to powerful technology, empowering individuals and smaller businesses. They believe that open access fosters innovation and allows for greater scrutiny of potential biases and harmful applications. This is the AI for the people argument. But on the other hand, some worry that open-source AI could be misused by malicious actors for nefarious purposes, such as creating deepfakes or spreading misinformation. They argue that more regulation and control are needed to prevent the misuse of AI. This is a valid concern, and it highlights the need for a responsible approach to AI development and deployment. How do we verify that AI is used for good? That is the question. So, how can we verify the ethical use of AI? One approach is to focus on transparency and accountability. We need to demand that AI developers are transparent about how their models are trained and how they make decisions. We also need to establish clear lines of accountability for the actions of AI systems. Another approach is to develop tools and techniques for detecting and mitigating biases in AI models. This requires ongoing research and development, as well as a commitment to fairness and equity. We need to invest in research and development to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. This is our responsibility. In conclusion, the integration of DeepSeek into WeChat is a significant development that could have far-reaching implications for the AI landscape. It highlights the growing competition in the AI space, the potential for lower-cost AI solutions, and the need for ethical considerations. The rise of DeepSeek is a wake-up call for the US and a sign that the AI revolution is just getting started. What do you think about all this? Are you excited about the potential of DeepSeek, or are you concerned about the ethical implications? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and analysis. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.